Makeup Barbie, boleh ala-ala tuan nak try foundation baru. Akan dah lama tau nak try foundation ni, since packaging lama dia lagi. But now they have launched a new upgraded formula with the new packaging. So there are 4 shades available and look at the packaging. Packaging dia kan macam cushion foundation tapi it's actually cream foundation inside. I suka gila packaging dia, it looks so sleek and compact. It comes with this sponge applicator, so let's try it on. As you can see, I have one pimple here. Biasalah lepas exam, macam-macam nak tumbuh kat muka. But it's okay, kita boleh test if this foundation boleh cover my blemishes. By the way, I'm going to coat 02 Twi. So with this sponge, I ambil sikit and just dab it on. Wow, can you see? Hilang terus jerawat tu. Coverage light to medium but it is buildable, so you boleh build up the layer sampai you dapat your desired amount of coverage. Wow, beza betul before and after. This foundation ada SPF 50 tau, but not only that, dia ada juga macadamia seed oil yang bantu untuk lembutkan kulit, Roman chamomile flower oil yang acts and anti-inflammatory, and vitamin E which is high in antioxidant, so dia bantu untuk protect your skin from UV rays. I love the dewy finish. Actually dia ringan macam BB cream tapi dia tak oily. So I would rate the formula 9 out of 10, but overall I bagi 10 out of 10 sebab packaging ni ada mirror and sponge, so senang nak guna and touch up. So foundation dah siap, I guna coat yang cerah sikit, 01, jadikan dia as concealer. Then apply cream blush, contour muka and hidung. Don't forget to set dengan loose powder. For the eyes, first I guna this pink eyeshadow and apply all over my crease. Then guna this purple colour. Then ambil concealer and buat cut crease. Then letak gold shimmer on top. Then apply eyeliner, apply some mascara, add falsies to spice up the look. For the lips, first I outline dengan brown colour. Then apply pink lipstick on top. And siap, what do you think? Comment down below makeup apa yang korang nak buat next.